Bro, this is so freaking sketchy, bro. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm over here, bro, and there's some freaking there's some freaking rustling through over here. And every time I go up, I always hear it. Or else it's like a freaking, oh my gosh, I don't even know. That's creepy. That's creepy, though. That's really creepy. Lily, you have no flip flops on.
Huh?
Bro, it's so freaking hot. It's like, oh, that actually feels
Ah,
kind
it
of.
is. Woo! Come back.
So hot. What's up? Bro, low key. Her babies, oh, what is she doing? What is you doing? What is you doing? What is you doing? What is you doing? Today is probably the saddest day of her life. I know why. She had three kittens of her own, and they would climb up in the car engine. And they climbed up in the car engine. I'm not sure if they were in there at the time when my grandma left, but my grandma says, yeah, they can get up in that engine or over the top of the wheel. And I was like, so when you start the car, it kills them? My grandpa says, yep, pretty much that. It chop them up. And I just noticed my grandma left to go to church, and her kittens might have died. I feel so bad for her. Just imagine how hard it would be to lose your kids. Even if you were a cat, they got chopped up by a freaking car engine. Like, imagine how sad you would be. They lived in our yard, see? They, lived literally in our yard. They would go into these parts of the woods right here. That little thing right there. And by that wheelbarrow over there. And I think that's where they slept, in that little cinder block under the stairs, under like the top step or the second step. If you can see, that's where they were. So, like, I saw them today. So, not after she left. Who is coming down here? Or is she going to feed the I was about to say, like, bro, where is you going? That red car just, came up. Bruh, I think I hear it. I can see a shine right over there. A shining light. Somewhere over there. And I'm gonna go check on the cinder block now. And if they're not in there, they're probably dead. They're supposed to be in that cinder block right there. You know, I don't see anything. So, Lily, I do think they died. They probably, like a 50-50 chance they died. I'm just gonna leave my thing right here, and I'm gonna go down there or up there with the kids over there. So, yeah. See you guys in the next video.